Good afternoon, everybody. Fan Handyman 1989 here once again. I told you last video that I had very special. Here it is. This is a box. This came in today, and it is a box with something inside. Are you all wondering what it is? Well, I'm just so curious to see what it is myself. And I have some stuff there on top of the box because there's private information that I don't need, that I don't want revealed to anybody. So this is a box here, and we're gonna cut the box open and see what we have inside. Okay, here we go. It. A nice, good old Wizard box, man. Just as I thought. Okay, let's go ahead. Put it aside here. That packaged up better than I thought he would. Okay. Okay, here it is. A 20-inch 1950s Wizard box fan. And looks to be in very good condition. It looked exactly as it did in the advertisement. Here's the cord. Of course, that will be replaced. Alright, here is the switch. I'll find a knob for that. Grill looks to be in fairly good condition. Turn around and have it at the back here. This one doesn't seem to be as heavy as the others. Alright. The back does look a little bent there a little bit, but that's nothing I can't handle. Alright, well, this is my new upcoming project. My third Wizard box fan in a row. And this was something that I got off of Marketplace, and you're all asking, don't you have enough of these fans? Well, yeah, but the reason I wanted to get this, knowing that this was one of the very last ones available online anywhere, I meant to get it for a parts fan for the other Wizard fan that I have, but the guy was kind enough to ship it to me. This did have a stand to it, but I already have a stand for it, so I think I'm gonna make another restoration out of this one and see what I can do with the other one. But fan appears to be a gray-green kind of color. Does have the Westinghouse motor. Everything looks to be in fairly good shape. I guess I'll go ahead and I'll plug the thing in, or if you're